Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the best bullion bars coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. And today we finally received the balance, i.e. 98% of them, of the Yales of Beaufort in silver. So we're going to open them up and have a quick squeeze, and we're lucky enough to have commandeered the shop for 5 minutes.
We're back in the shop. That's a strange sight in and of itself.
So hopefully, I'm going to use the bench up here. We can be in and out before the doorbell rings.
We'll see how we go with that.
Yeah.
It's good to have this as a backdrop again. Nice to be back in here. Things have changed around a little bit slightly. There's a desk in a different spot.
Do you like the new strop, mate?
I do. The thing that cracks me up with it is I've had probably about 50% of people reckon that it makes the space look bigger, and the other half reckon that it makes it look smaller. And so I don't know if it's made an improvement from that point of view or not, but it is good for. Oh, there we go.
It didn't last long.
No, it didn't. It is good from the ability to have 2 people serving at once, though. At least at the desk, so it's good.
Yeah, so we've jagged it. My favourite size.
And I say it's good to, like you said, to receive the rest of these, because we got one box, and I'm like, please tell me that's not our entire allocation.
Yeah.
So it's good to see that it wasn't.
All right, let's peel it open so we can have a closer look. So there we go, that is the Yale of Beaufort. So the Tudor B series, for those that aren't aware, are the 10 Tudor statues leading into, I should know this.
Pressure's on. You started this sentence. It wasn't like I put you on the spot for this one.
I'm having a seniors moment, I can't remember. We'll actually put it in words across the bottom of the screen.
I'll say what it is. We'll rely on our later selves.
So yeah, this is a presentation or a representation of that, with the goat head and the cow body with the chainmail and the symbols all over it. So I think they've done a stunning job. And the 10 ounce is always my favourite, because you get that larger planchet size to actually play around with. And then we've got the Her Majesty the Queen. So this will be one of the last, if not the last, in the Tudor Beast series with Her Majesty on it. And then it's got the Security Pimpling, which has a proper name that I can never remember.
You're getting me to put more and more of these things just on screen as we go, aren't you?
I am. So now we're looking for a box of 2 ounces. I reckon it's this one, because they're heavy.
I was going to say that there is actually a secret reason why we're doing this in the shop, and that is because I didn't want to have to lug all that up to the other end. Silver's great for a lot of things, but yeah, you do start to regret moving it around. Yes, absolutely.
Alrighty, let's get it happening.
How'd you go? Yeah, it does say 2 ounces on the box. Success.
So you can buy these individually. You can buy them in a tube. I actually can't remember how many comes in a tube. So
I want to say 10 based on the previous ones.
10 coins per tube, 20 tubes per box, 200 coins per box.
Fantastic.
So you can buy them individually. You can buy them in 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. You can buy them in a tube, or you can buy a whole monster box of tubes.
We've got a few boxes for just that occasion.
We have. Now, if you're buying 1 or 2, you will probably find that we have capsules for these.
Fingers crossed.
So they come raw, but if we can, and there's a big if on that one, if we can, we will endeavour to encapsulate where we can. So there you go. You can see it's the same as the 10 ounce, but on a smaller scale.
Big brother and little brother right there.
Yeah. I actually do like the 2 ounce because it's a small coin with a chunkiness about it. And I love that chunkiness to it. So
yeah, the Royal Mint go for a bit of a different style to that of the Perth Mint with their Tigers, and like their Lunar series rather. They go for the wider coin, whereas it's more of the pied fit coin.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So they're in stock. We've got them.
Woohoo!
If you're after them, grab them. They are limited to us. I don't know if we'll ever be able to get any more. So if they're in your budget, grab them now. And they are a fantastic little coin. And you don't get too many of these chunky 2 ounce coins. Perth Mint's ones are quite a bit bigger. They use a much bigger face or a much bigger planchet. So it's something different that you don't get every day. It's only, off the top of my head, I think it's only the Royal Mint and the Canadian Mint that produce them in this kind of size.
Yes.
So, yeah, it's something different to add to your stack, and a great design, and obviously with the the effigy being changed soon. It's one of the last of, so grab them while you can. That's it for now.
We better go deal with a line that is increasing outside. Let's go.
So yeah.
See ya.